Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the draw option missing on Instagram messages step by step. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. To do that, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, simply tap on it. This often brings back missing features like draw, notes or music in messages. After updating, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, go to the DM section and open any chat. Then tap on the plus icon on the right side of the text box and you should see the draw icon there. If you still don't see it, try offloading your app. For that, go to your phone settings, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage. Here, find Instagram from the list of apps and tap on it. After that, tap on Offload app. Then, reinstall it and log back into your account. This refreshes your app data and often brings back missing features. If it's still not there, try switching your Instagram to a professional account. To do that, go to your profile and tap on the three lines menu at the top right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down to the Your Insights and Tools section. Then, tap on Account Type and Tools. Here, tap on Switch to Professional Account and follow the on-screen prompts. If you still don't see the draw option even after all that, the feature is rolling out gradually, so it might take a little more time to appear for everybody. That's how you can fix the draw option missing on Instagram messages quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Instagram fixes and updates. Thank you for watching till the very end and I'll see you in the next video.